Super simple fun!
5 colorful ducks with colors so bright waddled to the pond and out of sight. Red, blue, yellow, green, and purple too. Mama duck quacked, come back! Quack, 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 but only 4 came swimming back. 4 colorful ducks with feathers so fine splashed in the stream in a waddly line. Blue, yellow, green, and purple too. Mama duck quacked, come back! Quack, 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 but only 3 came swimming back. 3 colorful ducks with colors that shine played in the grass near the tall pine. Yellow, and purple too. Mama duck quacked, come back! Quack, 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 but only 2 came swimming back. 2 colorful ducks having some fun jumped in the puddles one by one. Green and purple, where did they go? Mama duck quacked, come back! Quack, 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 but only 1 came swimming back. 1 colorful duck with purple fluff flew in the air and said, "That's enough." Mama duck quacked, come back! Quack, 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 but no little ducks came waddling back. Sad Mama duck went quack, 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 and suddenly 5 ducks came waddling back. Red, blue, yellow, green, purple too. All little ducks came back to you.
Super simple fun!